Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the gradient map. So we import an image. We unlock its layer. I zoom in a little bit. Then we go to the gradient map tool. I choose the color from here. And as you see, we have many colors to choose from. These are the presets. You can choose any one from them. You can click here to choose your own color. In here. You choose whatever color you like. Then you choose the other color like this. Now take a look at the difference, how it was and how it became. You can keep editing the color from here if you want. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.